Today, let's look at this interesting number theory problem which is suitable for beginner. For this question, we are asked to find all prime numbers p and q such that p squared minus 2q squared equals 1. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. The general advice is that try the small value of prime numbers. Obviously, in this case, p is an odd number. So if p equals to 3 and q equals to 2, then we know that p squared minus 2q squared is 3 squared minus 2 of 2 squared, which is 9 minus 8, and it is 1. And therefore, it says that pq equals 3, 2 is a solution to the equation p squared minus 2q squared equals 1. So how about other solution? If p equals to 5, then from the condition, we know that q squared equals p squared minus 1 over 2, which is a 12. However, 12 is not a perfect square, meaning that in this case, q is not an integer. And clearly, q equals to 3 or q equals to 5 also cannot give us an integer solution for p, meaning that q equals 3 or 5 are not solution too. Let's consider prime numbers pq that is greater than 6. Now obviously, pq are not congruent to 2, 3 or 4 mod 6. Otherwise, they are not prime numbers. And therefore, pq can be only plus or minus 1 mod 6. This means that p squared q squared must congruent to 1 mod 6. Consider the expression p squared minus 2q squared modular 6. It must congruent to 1 minus 2 times 1, which is a negative 1. And clearly, it is not congruent to 1 mod 6. And therefore, there are no solution if pq greater than 6. Now we conclude that pq equals 3, 2 is the only solution. I hope you have learned something today and enjoyed the video. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.